Hello everyone, welcome back to Sarah J Awesome. I'm so excited. I think I just finally got my floor mats. I thought it was gonna come with paper floor mats, but it didn't come with anything at all in the floorboard. So I was freaking out about every tiny little piece of grass that got in there the last 2 days that I've had the car. And sadly, I had to take the floor mats out of my 2012 Mazda 2 and put it in my Tesla to keep it from getting any dirtier. I ordered these off Amazon. I just went ahead and got some cheap carpet ones for now because I can't make the final decision yet on some all-weather ones. And I also kind of like the look of carpet, but I want to protect my car, so I'm going to make the big, expensive decision later. All right. So I got these Grundig automotive floor mats off Amazon. They were not that expensive at all. I think they were like $39, maybe less. I'll have to look later and see how much they are exactly, and I'll list that below. I'm happy that they're super black because the ones I have in there right now are old and they look really gray and worn. They feel pretty good. I'm not happy that they're kind of like bent at the bottom, but they're cheap carpet ones. So, let's see. My poor Tesla having to have these ugly floor mats in here. So this top one is for the driver's side. Though, get a good look in there. Once you get it in the perfect spot, it seems to conform pretty well all the way up. So when you have people's feet all the way back there, it's actually protecting everything. Protects all along the seam right here, on the side right here, all the way back, and actually protects almost all the way back here too. Looks pretty good. Let's go to the other side. Our car. Really, how much grass is in here already. I can definitely tell that these floor mats are not going to move at all once you get them in. It is not going to be sliding anywhere. There's no way this thing is going to be moving around and causing an accident. And it protects this dead pedal right here, so that's really nice. This driver's side one seemed to fit in a lot better than the other one. Actually, it seems like I could move it up a little bit, but I'm actually going to leave it back to cover more up here. But it probably is meant to go up a little higher. But I'm going to leave it back here. So you have this protection here. It would go up further, probably about 1.5 inches, but I wanted it to come back and cover this part because I know I get a lot of stuff here, crumbs, hair, all kinds of things, you know, get stuck back there. So I'm going to leave it back further than it should be, but it actually fits in here really good. This one went in a lot easier. Conforms all the way to the edge over here. I'm not crazy about this emblem, this tag right here. It's ugly, but other than that, I mean, it's good quality. You can hear the stickiness to it. I mean, it's basically like Velcro stuff back here. All right, let's see. Step out. You put your dirty socks back here? Oh, this is why I needed these 48 hours ago. I have 5 boys, 1 girl, 2 dogs. Dogs are never getting in this car. Look at all that. Ah, my brand new car. All right. Can you guys pass me that floor mat and we'll put it in together up here? My poor car. Have to detail it tomorrow. Let me see. All right, so we have the back one. It came, you know, folded in the box, of course. Hopefully, this will go down with time. I guess we're gonna see. I cannot believe how much foot space is back there in the center too. I mean, you have like a good 1.5 feet for foot space, even in the middle in the back seat, which is amazing. I have 2 teenage boys with big feet, so this is, the back seat is bigger in this Tesla 3 than in my 2009 Chevy Suburban. I mean, that's just amazing. Absolutely amazing. So hopefully this will go down over time, but for now, at least it's protecting the car. That's so much better. My poor Tesla. I'm gonna have to vacuum and detail it later. Floor mats look pretty good though. No emblem in the back, so happy about that. I'll make more videos as we get more accessories for this gorgeous, amazing car.